What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. Let's make the case for cases. And I tell you what, I've had butterfingers and have definitely dropped my iPhone, unfortunately. But I tell you what, I'm not buying new screens and back panels because I've had a case on them. And I think it's made all the difference in the world. In fact, dropping it on some stone. RANVOO has a case here. I wanted to check it out. I picked up a couple of these. And this one is really nice looking. So let's take a look at it. Looks like we get a card there, packed with foam, and look at that. Clear, it's like a TPU plastic. You can see we have, I don't know, maybe you can get in there. I'll try to hold my hand behind it. You can see we have little air release bubbles. They're almost invisible, but I can feel them on the inside. This thing is really light and obviously pretty flexible. So this isn't a glass. You don't have to worry about it shattering. Look at around the edge here. We have basically a rose gold. It's like a pink chrome cutouts here for the cable, microphone, speakers. We have molded in buttons here, volume rockers cut out for the mute switch, molded in power button, and then even around the camera lens, there is a little bit of this rose gold pink chrome finish. So I've got iPhone XS Max here. We're going to slide it in so you get to show off the beauty of whatever iPhone you picked up. That whole glass panel is still visible right through the clear screen. You've got your camera housing, a nice little spacer in between, and you've got this little lip which provides a little protection for that, and then just this beautiful, you can hear that, buttons work fine, no problems there, cutouts for all the speakers and whatnot. And the edge of the case here is maybe just a smidge, not even a millimeter higher than the screen, so you get a little bit of protection, but it doesn't interfere with, you touching it or anything like that. So really nice. I dig this. This is beautiful. RANVOO case for the iPhone XS Max and others. I'll put a link to this one in the description below. Peter von Panda out.